Welcome to the EdbMails SharePoint Online Restore, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails SharePoint Restore Tool lets you easily restore SharePoint Online data to your Microsoft 365 tenant from encrypted backups, including document libraries, folders, lists, and site pages, while maintaining the original structure. The software supports concurrent restoration of multiple SharePoint sites and incremental restore to avoid duplication and ensure efficient data transfer. With real-time progress tracking and detailed logs, EdbMails gives you full visibility and control throughout the process. Let's walk through the step-by-step process to restore SharePoint Online data using EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select Backup SharePoint Sites, OneDrive Teams. Select Restore to SharePoint OneDrive site. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Click on Add Files. Select the encrypted backup files for restoration. Click Next to continue. Enter the target SharePoint server details. Then click Grant Required Permissions. Select the required options. Then click here to grant admin access automatically. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page with Global Admin Account.
Click Sign In.
Select the required sites.
Click Continue.
Click Next to continue. Again, you need to authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page with Global Admin Account.
Click Sign In.
Admin access being granted to the selected SharePoint site. Admin access confirmed. Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Next to continue. Select the required option to load the site. Click Next to continue. Select the required mapping option.
Click Continue.
Click Start Restore. Restore operation under progress. Restore completion message. Click View Logs button to get Restore operation report. That's it. For a hassle-free SharePoint Online restore, visit edbmails.com today.